Good morning students and welcome to the next part of our lesson number 13, that is perimeter and area. So far we have learnt about the perimeter, which is the boundary of any shape. We have also learned how to measure the perimeter of different shapes using formula or by simply adding the sides. Now we are going to learn what is area. What is area? Area is a space enclosed within a closed figure. It is measured in square units. Now, whatever is figure is there, whatever portion is there included inside the boundary is called its area, and that is measured with square units. Means whatever unit is there, suppose it is centimeter, square centimeter, suppose it is a meter, square meter, etc. Now, how to calculate the area? So far, we have learned how to calculate the area of the shapes like square and rectangles, right? We all know that area of square is equal to side into side. Suppose the side of the square is 4 centimeter, then area of the square is 4 centimeter into 4 centimeter, that is 16 centimeter square. Okay. Similarly, the area of a rectangle is length into breadth. Okay. Now, if you can see one formula over here with asterisk. Okay. Using the formula of area of a square, we can find the side of a square. Okay. How to find the side of a square? This is a very important formula, students. Side of a square is equal to the square root of its area. Now, what is square root, you will ask me? Now, let's see few figures. Suppose 8 and 64. 8 into 8 is 64. If you multiply the number by the same number, the product you get is called its square. Right? 2 times the number is multiplied, so it is called as square. So here 64 is a square of 8 and 8 is called as square root of 64. Now, similarly, you can see here length of the rectangle is equal to area of the rectangle upon breadth, and breadth of the rectangle is equal to area of the rectangle upon length. So these are very important formula when you will solve particularly word problems. Now, very interesting thing in this chapter. I was talking to you about square units. Now here we will see few factors, conversion factors that we will be using actually while solving the problem. We all know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Now suppose there is a square of 1 meter side. So what could be its area? 1 meter into 1 meter is equal to 1 square meter. But here 1 square meter is equal to 1 meter into 1 meter, that is 100 centimeter into 100 centimeter. Okay, I have converted 1 meter into 100 centimeter. Okay, and that's how 1 square meter is equal to 10,000 square centimeters. Similarly, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. So 1 square kilometer means what? You have to multiply it again. So 1000 meters is equal to 1000 meters, that is 10 lakh square meters. Let's find units to measure larger area, right? To measure the larger areas like land, field, we use a different unit like acres, hectares and other. Now what are the conversion? How to measure? How do we know? We don't know these airs, hectares. We know only meters, kilometers and other things. So how to know about that? So here is the conversion. 1 square meter. Okay, a square with side 1 meter, that is area 1 square meter is equal to 1 centimeter. Similarly, 100 square meter is equal to 1 acre. Children, you have to remember this. 100 acres is equal to 1 hectares, that is 10,000 square meter, and 100 hectares is equal to 1 square kilometers. I repeat here children, 1 square meter is equal to 1 centimeter area. 100 square meter area means what? A square of, or you can say a rectangle, anything is 10 into 10, that is square only. Okay, 10 meter by 10 meter square if you take, the area is 10 into 10, 100 square meter, that is called 1 acre. 100 acres if you count together, it is 1 hectare. Okay, that is 10,000 square meters, and 100 hectares is equal to 1 square kilometer. These are very interesting and new units for you, which are mentioned in your textbook also. So children, here exercise 13.2 we are going to start. Let's see the question number 1. Convert the following as directed. Now children, the serial number which I have mentioned over here is as per your textbook. 2.56 square meter into square centimeter. Here we have to remember the formula. 1 square meter is equal to 10,000 square centimeter, or you can do like 1 square meter is equal to 1 meter into 1 meter, and then 100 centimeter into 100 centimeter will give you 10,000 square centimeters. So 2.56 square meters is equal to 2.56 into 10,000 square centimeter. Why we are multiplying over here? Because here we are converting the bigger unit to smaller unit. So the answer is 25,600 square centimeters. Now, next one is 2,50,000 square meters into square kilometers. Here 1 square kilometer is equal to 10 lakh square meters. So we will be converting the smaller unit into bigger unit over here. So we will divide by the conversion. So after dividing, we get 0.25 square kilometers. We are converting from smaller unit to bigger unit. Now here, please remember, when we are converting from smaller unit to bigger unit, we divide by the conversion. And when we convert from bigger unit to smaller unit, we multiply. So here the conversion is 1 square meter is equal to 10,000 square centimeter. And because we are converting the smaller unit to bigger unit, we are dividing.